change everything. Down at Porcupine Christie, Dakota Fred is on his best gold yet. At 70 feet now, he's no place to get an excavator stuck. Don't try this at home. And at Big Million, the future of the mine lies in 17-year-old Parker's hands once again.
There's nothing Smith. I don't know what will happen in Big Million Mine.
In the Klondike, facing the end of their second mining season.
Yeah, you knocked out cold, dude.
They're finally winning dirt from their second cup. And to hit their 100